Welcome tech lovers, buckle up because we are diving into the fascinating and ever-evolving world of cybersecurity. Today we are setting our sights on 2024, exploring the potential threats lurking in the digital shadows and equipping with the knowledge to stay safe online. Firstly, we discuss the landscape of cyber threats. Let's face it, cybercriminals are cunning and constantly adapting, but don't let that scare you. Understanding the common types of attacks is the first step in defending yourself. In 2024, we can expect to see Number 1. Ransomware rampage. This is nasty malware holds your data hostage, demanding a hefty ransom to unlock it. Think of it like digital pirates burying your treasure and only giving you the map for a hefty price. Number 2. Phishing frenzy. Prepare for emails, texts, and even phone calls disguised as trying to trick you into revealing sensitive information. Imagine a pirate wearing a friendly captain's coat trying to lure you into their ship. Number 3. Supply chain shenanigans. Hackers might target entire supply chains aiming for maximum disruption. Think of it like pirates infiltrating a trade route, impacting everyone who relies on it. Number 4. AI-powered attacks. Artificial intelligence is being used for good and bad, and unfortunately, some bad actors are leveraging AI to create even more sophisticated cyber attacks. Imagine pirates using advanced cannons and telescopes to target their prey. But don't worry, we are not leaving you empty-handed. Here are some essential tools to fortify your digital defenses. Number 1. Strong passwords. Ditch the birthday and pet's name combos, OPT for unique complex passwords, and consider using a password manager for extra protection. Think of it like building a strong castle gate with multiple locks. Number 2. Software updates. Don't be that person who ignores update notifications. Install software updates promptly to patch security vulnerabilities. Imagine patching up holes in your castle walls before pirates can exploit them. Number 3. Multi-factor authentication. Add an extra layer of security with multi-factor authentication like a code sent to your phone. Think of it like having a secret password and a fingerprint scan to enter your castle. Number 4. Beware of phishing. Think before you click unknown links and sender information closely, and never share sensitive information in emails or solicited calls. Remember, pirates often disguise themselves as friendly merchants. Number 5. Cybersecurity software. Invest in reputable antiviruses and anti-malware software to keep your digital walls guarded. Think of it like having loyal knights patrolling your castle ground. Now we talk about the future of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is not just about individual responsibility, it's a global fight against digital pirates. In 2024, we can expect Number 1. Expect coordinated efforts to develop and implement effective cybersecurity measures. Think of it like different kingdoms joining forces to defeat a common enemy. Number 2. Spreading awareness about cyber threats and best practice is crucial. Imagine town carriers shouting warnings and teaches villagers how to defend themselves. Number 3. The good guys are working on new and innovative ways to counter cyber attacks. Think of it like constantly upgrading your castle defenses with the latest technology. Remember, stay vigilant, stay informed, and stay equipped. By working together, we can navigate the cybersecurity landscape of 2024 and beyond, making the digital world a safer place for everyone. Now go forth and spread the word. Share this video, discuss cybersecurity with your friends and family, and let's build a digital fortress against cyber threats. Don't forget to like the video and please subscribe our channel for more informative videos on artificial intelligence and technology.